Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth in a pressure cooker. First, select quality bones. Beef marrow bones or chicken feet work wonderfully for a rich broth. Next, prepare your aromatics: a roughly chopped onion, a couple of carrots, and a few celery stalks. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It's key for drawing out minerals. This simple preparation sets the stage for a deeply nourishing broth. Once your ingredients are ready, carefully place them into your pressure cooker. Ensure the bones and vegetables are submerged, then add enough cold water to cover everything, leaving about 1.5 inches of space from the top. This prevents overfilling and ensures safe operation. Secure the lid firmly, making sure the vent is sealed, and you're ready for the next step. Now, set your pressure cooker to high pressure and cook for 90 to 120 minutes. This extended cooking time is crucial for extracting maximum nutrients and flavor from the bones. After cooking, let the pressure release naturally for at least 15 minutes. This helps prevent a sudden boil-over. Finally, carefully strain your rich, golden broth through a fine mesh sieve, separating the liquid from the solids. Once strained, allow your delicious bone broth to cool completely before storing. You can refrigerate it for up to 5 days or freeze it in smaller portions for several months, making it convenient for future use. This homemade broth is perfect for sipping, soups, or sauces. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your nourishing creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.